Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can set dynamic image size to your image object in Jasper report. So let's get started with the video. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को करें सब्सक्राइब और साथ ही साथ दबाएं बेल का आइकन, जिससे जब भी मैं नया वीडियो डालूं आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. So guys, basically let me just show you what I want to do is when I run this program, and you can see here this is my program and I want to run this. I'll just click on print button. So when I click on print button, you can see here my report will run, and you can see that image is coming but a blank space is also coming with it. So I want that this image should take full place whatever the size of the image object I have given. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just go to the report here. In the report, this is the image object, and I want this size of the image object should be dynamic. So what you have to do, you have to just go to the XML, and you will have to search for the image object where you have kept the image object. So this is the image object you can see here, and in this you can see here report element. This is the image object. This is the opening tag of the image and the closing tag of the image. Inside this there is the code. So in here you can see element, report element. So inside this you have to write scale scale type equal to fill frame. Okay guys, you have to just write this simple thing, and then you have to write here not scale type, here it will be scale image. Okay, and fill frame. So I'll just save the report, and when I go back to my report, it says not allowed in the report element. Okay, so guys, there is an error here, so it is not allowing me. So what I will do, I will just cut this from here and I will put this in the image object. Okay guys, and let's see now whether it will work or not. So there is no error. I will just run my program here, and I'll click on this, and I'll just click on print button. So guys, you can see here the image blank space is gone. So in this way you can set a dynamic image and dynamic size to the image object in the Jasper reports. That's all in this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.